Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Apex Legends game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in ea.com/games/apex-legends. You can then press enter and you will be taken into the official Apex Legends website from EA. You can click on the download for free option at the top right corner and you have two different options for PC. You can either use the EA app for Windows or your Steam account on PC. Choose either one of these options, whichever is suitable for you. And now you can proceed with the download option by clicking on Play for Free. Click on the EA app for Windows option to download EA app. And once you download the application, after choosing your platform, you can simply click on EA app installer in order to open up the installer for the EA app. You can then proceed forward with the installation, and once the EA app has been installed, you can simply open it up and you will be asked to log into your EA account. After proceeding with logging into your account, you will be taken to the EA app homepage, from which you can click on Apex Legends and you will see the download button. You can click on the download button and now this will begin the download and installation of the Apex Legends game on your device. Just choose your installed location and then choose your desired language and then select whether you want to create a desktop shortcut. You can then click on the next button and click on download and this will begin the download and installation. Once the game has completed downloading, you will find the shortcut on your desktop, or you can simply search for Apex Legends using your search box to find and open the Apex Legends game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Apex Legends game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.